Hello friends, my name is Lalit Singh Mehta and today we are going to see or we are going to discuss about the topic center of gravity of unsymmetrical sections. So in my previous video we have done a numerical or a problem based on center of gravity of symmetrical sections. So today we are going to discuss about center of gravity of unsymmetrical sections. So this is how the problem goes like: find the centroid, which is the same as CG, of an unequal angle section. The dimensions of the unequal angle section are given as 100 mm into 80 mm into 20 mm. So let us start by drawing the unequal angle section. So it is 100 mm into 80 mm. mm 80 mm and by 20 mm. So this is 100, all dimensions are in mm, so I am not writing the mm. 80 mm, so this is 80 mm, 20 mm, 20, 20. So this is the unequal angle section, or it is also called as L section. Unequal angle section or L section. The dimensions are given as follows. So we have to find the CG or the centroid for this section. Now, as in the last problem we did the same thing, we will do the same thing here. We will divide this section, or we will divide this figure into two sections. Earlier in the problem there was a T section, so we divided into two rectangles. Here also it is an unequal angle section, we will divide into two rectangles. This will be my section 1 and this will be my section 2, correct? So this is how it will go. So this, I have divided the figure into two sections. Then I will locate the then I will draw the reference axis from the extreme left. So this is my, suppose I am drawing the reference axis from here. So it is P and this is Q. This will be the origin O. So OPQ, OP and OQ are the reference axis. So first, now we can find the respective first we have to locate the CG of respective rectangles, CG of respective sections. So this is first rectangle. The first rectangle CG will be at the center of this rectangle. I will call it as G1, and this is the second section or the second rectangle. I will call this as section 2, and the CG will be located at the center of this, correct? G1 and G2 are the respective CGs of the area, means section 1 and section 2. So these are the respective CGs. Then we can calculate the area. So area 1 is the area of the section 1, which will be 100 into 20, 100 into 20, which is 2000 mm square, and area 2 will be, see here, area 2 will be, say this is 80, so 80 minus 20, so this will be 60. So 60 into 20, basic geometry we are using. So we got the area of respective sections, correct? Now again we have to locate the we have to find the CG or the centroid for this unequal angle section. So we have to find x bar, which is equal to, and y bar, correct? So x bar is equal to a1 x1 plus a2 x2 divided by a1 plus a2. So here we can see what is the value of x1 and x2, correct? So x1 is this distance, the horizontal distance, this is x1, and from this reference axis I am asking 0 OP, from OP to this CG, first section CG x1, and from OP to second section CG x2, this will be x2. So x1 value will be 20 divided by 2, 10. I will write here x1 is equal to 10 mm. See here, from the geometry itself I have got the value 20 divided by 2, 10. And what will be x2? x2 we can see from here to here it is 60. So here to here it means it is 30. 30 plus 20, 50, correct? From here to here, x2. From here to here it is 60 because it was total 80. Now I have divided into section 2, so this is 60. 60 plus 20 gives us 80. So 60, this is 60. 60 divided by 2, 30. 30 plus 20, 50. x2 is equal to 50 mm. So A1 is coming out to be, we have already calculated, 2000 into x1 is 10 plus 1200, correct, into 50 divided by 2000 plus 1200. So the answer is coming out to be, x bar is coming out to be 25 mm. 25 mm from OP. From OP. OP. X bar. We will keep the answer in block. Now similarly y bar is equal to a1 y1 plus a2 y2 divided by a1 plus a2. So what is the value of y1? y1 is nothing but x1 and x2 are the horizontal distances of the respective CGs. Now y1 and y2 will be vertical distances. So y1. So y1 will be equal to, so since this rectangle is 100, so it is exactly at the center 50. So y1 will be 50 and y2 will be, y2 is this. So y2 is 20 divided by 2, 10. y1 is 50 and y2 is 10, correct? The distance of vertical distances of respective CGs from reference axis OQ. Similarly, on the lines of x1 and x2, we are calculating y1 and y2. x1 and x2 were vertical, x1 and x2 were horizontal, y1 and y2 are vertical distances of respective CGs. So y1 we got 50 mm, and y2 is 10 mm. Now we can put the values. A1 we have already got, A1, A2, area of section 1, area of section 2, y1, y2 just now we have calculated. So A1 is again 2000, y1 is 50 mm, 50 plus A2 is 1200, y2 is 10 divided by 2000 plus 1200. So the answer is coming out to be 35 mm. 35 mm from OQ. This is y bar. So now we got our x bar value and we got our y bar value, x bar and y bar we got. So our CG can be located. Now we have to put this value of x bar and y bar in the figure. So x bar is 25 mm from OP. So OP, this is OP. So it is 25 mm from OP. So this is 20. I will rub this. So this is 20, 20. So it will be just this is y axis, and this distance is called as x bar, which is equal to 25 mm. 25 mm. So x bar is equal to 25 mm from reference axis OP, which I have calculated here. Now y bar. So distance of the y axis from reference axis OP we got, which is also known as x bar. Now y bar is equal to 35 mm from OQ. So 35 mm, this is 20, 35 mm from here to here it is 50, correct? O to this point it is 50 because it is 100, 50. So it will be somewhere from here. So this is x axis, and this distance is y bar, which is equal to 35 mm. So x bar is equal to 25 mm from OP and y bar is equal to 35 mm from OQ, correct? So and the point of intersection of the x and the y axis is the CG, is the centroid, is the CG or the center of gravity for this figure. So see, you can see that this was a problem of unsymmetrical section, correct? Unsymmetrical section. So we have to calculate both x bar and y bar, and we can see that the CG is located somewhat outside the section. So it is possible because the value shows that the CG of this angle, unequal angle section lies at this point, means 35 mm from OQ and 25 mm from OP. So this is how we have to calculate the x bar and y bar, or we can say the location of the x and the y axis for a unsymmetrical sections. So hope your idea about finding the center of gravity or centroid for an unequal section is clear now. If you like this video, do share and subscribe this video, and thank you for watching.